Oh, hello everyone. My name is Wolfie from Jal Plays, and this is another daily video. It is what's it called? sorry, sorry. I forget what it is. Okay. Wait. Okay, yeah. This is Typical Colors 2. Sorry about that. Typical Colors tab 2. Typical Colors 2. And yeah, it is very much, very cool. Yeah, yep, it's really cool. Any game on Roblox. You should definitely play it. Link in the description below. All that jazz. Check out my previous video. It's wait, what? What? Okay, okay, check out my previous video on this game. It's basically just it's the same game. Wait. Oh, that guy's a hacker. Wait, what? Okay. Yeah, check out my previous video on this. Check out the previous video. Okay, what? I keep saying that. Check out the. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to I don't. Forget it. Just check out the video, previous video, link in the description below, all that jazz. And I'm gonna kill this dude. Shooting in the face. Yeah. Oh, he's right behind us. I died. Alright, I'm gonna go. Alright, yeah, just search it by putting in Wolfie. Yeah, just put in Wolfie. WOLFIE. And link's gonna be in the description. Also, yeah, leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. Alright, so. Oh jeez. What's happening? Shut down? Game shut down? Game shut down? No, not game shut down. Let's see. Oh, nice. People are here. No. Ow, my legs. I broke my legs. Please, I broke my legs. My legs. Oh, my legs. Oh, my legs for humanity. Alright. What do I want to do? I'm gonna go flank her. Dun. Oh, guys, make sure to leave a comment what game I should play next. If I have that game, like Roblox game, any fun. And they added pictures. Okay, that's awesome. Yeah. Sorry, mind the language. Mind my language. The guy is right there. If I can hit him. Shoot. He's just spamming rockets. The guy's zero skill needed. Spam rockets. That's how you play the game, boys. That's how you play the game. No, just don't do that, to be honest. This is how we create people that I don't like. Spammers. Spammers like him. Alright, get on the point. 2 people, yes. It's moving. Just in case, Free Fire, yo. I play COD, Free Fire. I have COD. On my console, PS3. I have COD. Shoot. There's literally 2 guys on one stupid dude? Like, what the heck? The heck, bro? What? There's red rockets from behind. Okay, I tagged him a little. I gave him a little tag-a-rooney. I'm up and at it. Dude, you gotta like, okay, good. Okay, guys. I'm gonna head up. Okay, I'm not gonna be heading up. Alright, guys. Dude. Wait. I'm up. Shoot, these guys are so annoying because all they do is spam the stupid rocket. Ah, they're so annoying. Oh shoot. Wait, where are we? Yeah, we're here. Don't do it. Please don't do it. If one of us goes in. I'm really bad with shotguns because you can't they don't go fast. So yeah, you got a shotgun? Yeah, good luck taking those 50,000 shots. No, this is ridiculous. I'm going Fever. I know it's the most scumbag thing to do, but hey, they're doing it, so I'm gonna do it too. Hope that's not where I'm supposed to be. Yeah, you wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight me? You wanna fight me? You wanna fight me, boy? You wanna fight me? Right after this, I'm gonna record a Minecraft video. Yeah, you guys will enjoy that stuff, don't you? You know what? Wait, oh. Rest in peace, me. Okay, let's go in. What the frick? Error. I'm slapping people with error. I'm slapping people with error. I'm cutting them up with error. Ow. Problems can kill, guys. Problems can kill. Who killed me? Why did I die? Why did I explode? Oh, rocket launcher, duh. Dude, I'm walking around with an arrow. Can I, stop that? No, I can't. I'm just walking around with arrows. Oh, die, you stupid. You stupid idiot. You stupid. You little stupid. I'm messing with you. Oh my gosh. Stop the rocket spam, please. Not in the comments. Got the shotgun. Oh my gosh, this is literally, come on, Ned, got this, you got this, back, didn't I just see, Nathan or something? Come on, we got this, come on, wait, this is absurd, this is so dumb. You know what, there's a thing right there. He knows I'm here. Sabotage! We got the sentry down. The sentry's been destroyed. Let's go. Guys, come on. Got one. Come on. What is that? What is this? It's down. It's already there. That guy's an agent, so wait. Let's go agent with one of your guys that are agents. Or do I have to go like convert? What the frick? He really does not want to die. No, you will die. Dang you. Dang you. Soldier boy, here we go. Alright, wait. Calamity? Oh, that's what we were just played. No. I'm gonna go red. This is no spam. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go mech. Mechy. Yeah, Mechy. Go set up. Let's go set her up. I'm gonna have my sentry to guard mid. It's gonna guard mid. It's gonna be lovely. I want it to be like safe, if you know what I mean. Yeah, you can't construct too, I'm guessing. Getting up, going up. RG3. Reverse engineered pistol, eh? Oh, yeah. Alright, we got this. Are you ready? Are you ready, Mr. Name? Yeah, you're ready. I'm gonna beat you up with this. Right in the noggin. Gotcha, got you. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna go in with this. Why is it reverse engineered? I don't get that. I should probably stick with my... I see you, you little meanie. Okay, so yeah, now that that's done. No! Can't see that. Ah, damn it. Alright, let's see what we can do. Magnum pistol. Bang, bang. And we got our sniper. That goes person. This. Headshot. Headshot 450. Can't. I saw no one. No one was getting hit. Is that a... There is a guy right there. I could see him. Got his headshot. Shoot! 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 Guys, you gotta help me out in this kind of stuff. Can't just sit there and like not protect your sniper, because your sniper is important. And I need to plug in my PC. Shoot! But guys, you can't do that. You can't do that. Oh, we're approaching 15-minute mark. I'm gonna end the episode soon. So actually, next death, that's the end of the episode. Sorry guys. Sorry. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of me in episode 2, Counterblock. Oh, not Counterblock. Yep, so hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. Whoop whoop. I wanna leave.